ちは皆さん、ティトペンと言います。今日の曲は、Bob Marley. It's a song from Bob Marley, No Woman No Cry. Okay? Okay, first C, intro, G, A minor, F, C, C, F, E minor, G, C. Let's slow. Yukuri. A minor, F, C, C, F, E minor, G, 7. Verse. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make some firelight. Love was burning through the night. That's it. So then chorus. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No C, G, A minor, F, C, C, F, E minor, G, C. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Little darling, don't shed your tears. No woman no cry. Then go to the verse again. Verse, the same. What was that? The same chords. Verse. Okay, and then chorus. Then there's this. Your tears, no woman, no cry. Love will burn it through the moon. We'll go always borrow, I'll share with you. Feet is my only courage, but I push on through. But while I'm gone, I need you. Everything's gonna be alright. 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 Chorus. No, no woman, no woman, no cry. No, no woman, no woman, no cry. That goes along until you. It depends on when you want to finish the song. So I think that's all. No woman, no cry. Okay, that's how you finish it. So please like and subscribe and hit the bell, okay? So you will know if we have a new video, okay? See you, bye bye, thank you. Woo.